MCQ that test, right?
Yeah, I have told you, but see, children, anyway, we need to complete our portion. After that, we will take revision time. We will take each chapter, each concept, separate test we will conduct.
Ma'am,
Okay.
you did not send the message in the WhatsApp.
Yeah. So that I didn't discuss today. Okay. Okay,
Okay,
children.
ma'am.
So last class we were discussing about the revolt of 18. We just started the lesson, the revolt of 1857. Okay. See, children, I have told you about the Britishers, the Europeans. Many Europeans came over here in our country. Okay. And slowly they have gained control over the Indian territories. Okay. And okay, they tried to oppose our people. Okay, and they established trading companies.
Ma'am,
Okay,
ma'am,
British East India Company was among them.
ma'am,
Okay, yeah.
I was absent last class.
Oh, what happened, Vishnu?
Network issue, ma'am.
Okay. See, if you were absent, you just watch the recorded versions. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, and if you find any means doubt, you can message me or call me. Okay. Okay, children. So the revolt of 1857, it's also known as the first war of independence.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, because the Indians, okay, first time we have revolted against the Britishers.
Ma'am, can you say the meaning of revolt?
Yo,
Ma'am, can you say the
yeah,
meaning of revolt?
revolt, yeah. Okay, so what do you mean by revolt? Okay, see, children, when the people of a country, okay, when the people of a country is refused to obey the rules and laws.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, when the people of a country, when they refuse to obey the rules and the laws, or they are doing something against the ruler, it is called a revolt.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, revolution.
Understood.
There are French Revolution, Russian Revolution. That means many of the people, if they are not satisfied with the government policies, okay, they will do something against. Means they will do for an action. Okay, that is known as revolt.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, it is a protest. It is a
Ma'am.
protest from
Ma'am.
the people against to the government. Okay, is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am. That's
Okay,
clear,
so the
ma'am.
revolt, yeah, the revolt means that when the people of a country is not satisfied with the rules and laws made by the ruler, then naturally they will react against that policies. That is known as revolt. Okay, so the Britishers, they
There will
gained,
be war.
yes, they made many laws in our country. I have told you about doctrine of lapse. Do you remember that?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Doctrine of lapse.
When
Yes.
the
When a
when a
ruler does
ruler
not have
died without a male heir. Usually in our country, the means the male used to rule the country. Okay, when
Yes,
a
ma'am.
king dead,
After the king's death, the king's son.
yes, his son will be the next ruler. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so they made a new law, that is doctrine of lapse. Okay, according to that law, if a king died
Dead
without
with-
a male heir, that kingdom would be under the Britishers.
British Army.
Yeah, okay, that kingdom would be under the Britishers.
British
Okay,
Army.
so Rani Lakshmi Bai, okay, Rani Lakshmi Bai, she was the queen of Jhansi. Okay, she was the ruler of Jhansi, and the company refused to refused to admit her adopted son. Okay, that made Rani Lakshmi Bai. Okay, she was, just a minute, children, someone is waiting over here. Okay, so Rani Lakshmi Bai of Jhansi, okay, wanted her adopted son to be the ruler. Okay, but the company was not ready to accept him. That is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
one
Nana
reason.
Sahib.
Okay, that is the one reason. Okay, the second reason, Nana Sahib. Okay, Nana Sahib, he was the son of Pesha Bajirao II. Children, these names are a bit tough. Okay, but you need to study history. This
Yes,
is the
ma'am.
portions related to history. Whatever we
we
studied
should
till
write
now,
this.
it is related to geography
Ma'am,
portions
we
we
should
covered.
write this.
Yeah,
Excuse me,
We
ma'am.
should write this.
it is there in the textbook. You
Yes,
just
ma'am.
open your textbook
It's
and just mark the
there.
lines. Okay.
Please, there, ma'am.
Okay. So children, just listen to me. Nana
Excuse me, ma'am.
Sahib. Yeah.
Ma'am, the old Sam and old big name was the fashion.
Ah.
That's why they are putting big names and all. That's it.
Yeah. Yes. Okay. So children, Rani Lakshmi Bai of Jhansi, she wanted her adopted son as to be the next ruler, but the company or the Britishers were not ready to accept it. Okay. And Nana Sahib, okay, Nana Sahib, he was the son of Pesha Bajirao II. It is there in the textbook, children. You just mark it. Okay. Nana Sahib, he was the son of Pesha. He also was an adopted son. Okay, Nana Sahib, he was an adopted son of Bajirao II. Okay, wanted to get his pension. Pension means that the company is providing a fixed amount to the ruler. Okay, so Bajirao was getting his pension. After Bajirao's death, Nana Sahib, his adopted son, want to get that pension, but the company was not ready to give his pension. Okay, and the British refused their request. Okay, that these two are the important cause for the revolt of 1857. Shreya, can you tell me which all things we just discussed?
What, ma'am?
Can you tell me the two reasons? What are the British policies that made the people of our country revolt against the Britishers?
Ma'am, I don't know. I didn't understand.
Rani Lakshmi Bai.
Ma'am, I didn't understand, ma'am.
Which one?
Your question, ma'am.
Question, what all policies, what all British policies have made the people to revolt against the Britishers?
Ma'am, let me think that.
These two reasons I am asking about Rani Lakshmi Bai
Okay,
and
ma'am.
Nana Sahib. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
Rani Lakshmi Bai, what is the problem? Sri Shankar, can you tell me what's the problem with Rani Lakshmi Bai?
Ma'am, the British is not allowing his Rani Lakshmi Bai's son.
Sri Shankar, are you there?
Yes, ma'am, he's speaking, ma'am. He's saying
Yes, ma'am.
But
But
child
his voice is
not,
low.
Yes, ma'am.
not allowed to.
I can't hear it.
Ma'am, I can't hear.
Ma'am,
you.
his voice is low. He's speaking, but
Then Angelina, you tell me. Your voice is clear to me.
okay. Rani Lakshmi Bai of Jhansi wanted her adopted son to be the next ruler.
Very good.
Nana
Okay.
Sahib wanted to get his pension.
Pension. Okay, Rani Lakshmi Bai. Okay, she wanted her adopted son as to be the next ruler, but the Britishers were not ready to accept it.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Then Nana Sahib, he also was the adopted son of Pesha Bajirao II. Okay, Bajirao II. He wanted to get his pension, but the company refused to give his pension. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
That's
so
clear.
many of the British policies, were not they made so many rules in our country, okay, only to oppress or only to suppress the people of our country. Okay, and what do you mean
Ma'am,
by a
what is called
revolt?
suppress?
Just force into, means just make something
Forced to do.
Yes, forced to do. That means it's not fair. Actually, their laws and regulations are not fair to the people. Okay, they made their own, means they made laws only for their own sake, only for their own gain or only for their own profit. Okay. Okay. See, children, what is a revolt? What is a revolt?
When people
It's
refuse to
when
accept
people
the laws and
disobey
decisions.
the laws or is
They
against
refuse
the
to
ruler.
obey the rules and the laws. Okay, that is called a revolt. Okay, when the people they are moving to an action. Okay, when the people, if they are moving to an action, it is called revolt. Okay, so
Okay, ma'am.
1857, the revolt of 1857, it also known as
The first war
First
of
War of
independence.
Independence. Okay, it is also known as the First War
First
of
war of
Independence.
Independence.
Because the first time the people of our country, that means Indian people, revolted or reacted against the injustice rule of Britishers.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay,
These
ma'am.
points are clear, children, all of you?
Now, yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Clear now.
Okay. Okay.
Yes,
Then the
ma'am.
second problem.
Gandhiji was there.
Yes.
Gandhiji was there.
No. That time Gandhiji did not, means he was came only after some time. Okay, he was in South Africa. That we will discuss on the next chapter. This time Gandhiji was in South Africa. Okay, he was, yeah. After some time only he came.
The halls of.
Okay, so children, the next problem, the British promoted English language education.
They set up
Okay,
churches
see
and
children,
schools all. They,
are you saying something?
yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Sri Shankar is reading that sentence.
Okay. The British promoted English language education. Okay.
That's
And
good, right, ma'am?
because, see children, we have, means Sanskrit. Okay, Sanskrit and Arabic was the main language we that taught in our schools. Okay, so the Britishers removed Sanskrit and Arabic. Okay, and they promoted English language education. Okay, so naturally, okay, it create a feeling among the Indians that, okay, see, our people, our Indians do not like that attitude of the people or attitude of the Britishers, and also they established many churches and schools all over the country.
They try
Okay,
to kill
the
that.
Britishers promoted English language education. They removed Arabic and Sanskrit from our schools.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Means
and they
Indian language. Indian
Yeah.
languages. Indian
is
languages. They removed Indian languages.
No, they removed Sanskrit and Arabic.
And they
Ma'am, somebody is asking what is Sanskrit.
Sanskrit, have you heard Sanskritam?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, ma'am.
Language, like Hindi, Malayalam, it's a language, okay, Sanskrit. Okay, mostly the
Ma'am.
in our school there's Arabic.
yeah. See, children, it's a language used by the Brahmins before that time. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
Brahmins.
Yes, ma'am.
Mostly
I
our,
had
the Puranas and epics, Puranas of Hindu religion, it's always in Sanskrit language. It is written in
Most of the
Sanskrit
Hindus
language.
are speaking like that.
Yeah,
Most of the Hindus.
yes.
are speaking.
Okay, the Brahmins, while doing the rituals and all, they use Sanskrit. Okay, so Sanskrit and Arabic was the main language. Okay, Arabic we know that the Muslims. Okay, the Muslims used Arabic
Yeah.
languages. Yeah, for their holy text and all.
Now also.
Ah, yes, now also. Okay, so the Britishers removed Arabic and Sanskrit and they introduced English language. Okay, and they introduced English language education. They set up many churches and schools all over the country. They promoted Christianity. Okay.
Oh, ma'am, they made the Christians and
Yes. Okay, so they promoted Christianity. They means they set up many churches and schools all over the country. So this made a feeling among the mind of the Indians that, Okay, it will affect the culture of our
No.
country. Okay, culture of our people.
Religion, right, ma'am?
Yes. Okay, so this is the another cause. This was the another cause for the revolt. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
this made many Indians feel that the Britishers were trying to destroy our culture and religion.
Religion. Sepoy
Okay,
farmers and all were unhappy.
yeah.
Ma'am, sepoys means what, ma'am?
Sepoy means the
Soldiers.
yes, the soldiers, those who are
Oh,
working
okay.
in the
Army.
army.
Oh, okay,
Yeah,
okay.
in the army, and the sepoys, farmers, and artisans. Artisans, you know,
No, ma'am.
the
No,
people who
man.
are
The
making.
one who decorate.
Yes, the
Decorate.
people who are making some things like
Decorative things.
decorative things and all. Okay, uh, ornamental things. Okay,
Okay,
so
ma'am.
these people, the sepoys means those who are working in the army. Okay, soldiers, farmers, and artisans were unhappy. This is very important, children, because of their low wages and poor condition of work. What do you mean by low wages?
No, ma'am. Like
Salary, low
status.
salary, low income.
No
Okay,
salary.
even though, even though they need to work hard, but still their salary is very low.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yeah,
You told Gandhiji is in South Africa, no? Is he
Yeah.
South African?
he is a South African. What nonsense are you asking?
No, he's Indian only.
Eh?
He go to South
Next class, when you come, tell me the answer where he was born.
Ah,
Okay.
I was just asking only.
Just asking only.
Simply asking.
First, you
don't
listen over here. Who asked this? Who
I
asked this question? Eh?
I was confused when he told.
Ahil. Just tell me what all reasons are there for the 1857 revolt.
Ma'am, did you understand?
Ahil, tell me what all causes are there for the revolt of 1857, or which all reasons we have discussed over here. Tell me.
Because the British people were injustice. They gave low salaries for peoples, and they didn't. What is that name again?
Very good. Are you listening here?
Yes, ma'am.
See, children, there are means the effect of the British policies. The Britishers introduced many policies over in India. Okay, all these policies they made, it was only for their own benefit. Okay, they didn't consider about the Indians. Okay, and some of these problems. The first one, Rani Lakshmi Bai, she wanted her adopted son as to be the next ruler, but the company did not give permission to that. Clear, children? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Doctrine of lapse.
And Nana Sahib.
Yeah. Nana Sahib, he was the son of Peshwa
Peshwa.
Bajirao II. All of you just tell that name, Bajirao II.
Peshwa
Bajirao
Second.
II.
Second.
Nana Sahib, he
Peshwa
wanted
Bajirao second.
Ma'am,
okay,
Ma'am,
he wanted to
why
get
is
his
there a name like Peshwa Bajirao second?
They're hereditary kings. Hereditary
Ma'am,
kings.
second is there, ma'am. Why second is there?
Hereditary. Second, third, like that we used to tell means that it's
So many other.
Hereditary
So many
means from
names are
the
there?
same family. Listen to me. From the same family, there are many rulers. That means if the king dead, his next to his son will be there. Okay, then his son. Okay, so the next ruler, when he become, means when he dead, son will be the next ruler. So same from the same family, hereditary rulers. Okay, so Peshwa Bajirao II. Okay, Nana Sahib was the adopted son of Peshwa Bajirao II. He wanted to get his pension, but the company refused their request. Okay, the other problem was that, other cause was that the Britishers promoted English languages. They removed Arabic and Sanskrit colleges and schools. Okay, and they set up many churches and schools all over the country. Okay, and this made many Indians feel that the Britishers were trying to destroy our culture and religion because this language was holy to the people. Arabic and Sanskrit was holy language for the for the Hindus and the Muslims.
Indians.
Okay, yeah. And they promoted English language,
Churches
and
and
also they set up many schools and the colleges to promote English
Churches.
language. Okay,
Churches.
then the sepoys, that means the soldiers and the farmers and artisans were unhappy. Why they were unhappy? Because their income
they are
was
getting
very
low.
low. Okay, low
Wages.
wages
Condition of
and
work.
Then also they
condition of
are-
poor condition of the work. They need to work
They
hard
are
for
doing
long
hard work.
hours. Okay, they need to
They are
work
doing
long
hard work.
hours, and
Then also
also
they are not
they are
getting.
not getting enough money. Okay, so this made them very unhappy.
Yes.
Okay, and when the people, okay, when the people refuse to accept the laws and decisions of the ruler. Okay, when the people
Okay,
are
ma'am.
not ready to accept the rules and the laws made by the ruler,
Revolt.
it is
Revolt.
called
Revolt.
a revolt. It is
Revolt.
called
A
a revolt.
revolt.
And
Revolt.
1857 revolt, it is also known as the
The
first war of independence.
Of independence.
Clear all these points, children?
Yes, ma'am. Very clear. I understood that. We understood. Next, Magal Pandey. Right?
Mangal
Mangal
Pandey.
Pandey. Okay, children.
Pandey. Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Wait.
Revolt.
Okay. Then, so this all means the people in the country was not at all happy with all these policies made by the Britishers. Okay. Then, as the time passed, okay, the anger of the Indians increased. Okay, so finally, some Indians decided
Decided
to rise against the Britishers.
Yes, ma'am.
Revolted.
They revolted.
Okay, the revolt took place in the year 1857.
First
And
time.
it was the first time the Indian demanded freedom from the Britishers. So it is also known as the First War of Independence. Okay,
So,
then the immediate cause for the revolt. Okay, so already the people were not satisfied with the Britishers because they made their own rules and regulations to resist against the Britishers. They removed English and Arabic and Sanskrit. Okay, and also they introduced English language. They
Ma'am,
set
it's
up
not
many
there in
churches.
the textbook,
Okay,
ma'am.
so already, and also the sepoys, farmers, everyone was not happy with the conditions, with their low wages and poor condition of work. Okay, so there was a sudden cause for the revolt. Okay, immediate cause for the revolt. See, children, the British Army had introduced a new rifle. Do you know what is rifle?
No,
Rifle.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, I know.
Gun. Okay, rifle means a gun.
Gun, okay, ma'am.
So in this year, that means in the 1857, the year 1857, the British government introduced a new rifle, a new gun. Okay, a new type of gun. See, I have told you they are very modern people, the Britishers.
ma'am.
Okay, they are using modern weapons like guns. Okay, guns and all they used that time, the year 1857. We Indians were very primitive, means we don't know much, means we are using sword and all during that time. Sword, bow.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, so they introduced a new rifle. The cartridges to be used in the rifle were greased with the fat of cow and pig. That means, have you seen the bullets?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
In the films,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
know, in some
Yes,
films
ma'am.
we can see some people are using the gun, right?
Yes, the bullets, ma'am.
Yeah.
Putting
Okay,
bullets.
then we can see they're loading the bullets.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
bullets. Have you seen it?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Cartridges means that it is a case where we are loading the bullet.
Okay, ma'am. Oh, that space.
Okay. See, we can see only in films we can see such types of bullets and all, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Rifles and all.
Yes.
So cartridges means it is the case where we are loading the bullets.
Bullets. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so that cartridges were covered with the fat of cow and a pig.
Is it strong?
Ah, yes. Okay, because we know that cows are holy to the
Hindus.
Hindus,
Yes, ma'am.
and pig
Cows and all.
was unholy to the
Indian.
unholy to the Muslims.
Muslims.
Muslim.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Like that.
and before they need to before they need to load the bullets, they need to open it with their
Ma'am,
mouth.
someone is there in the waiting room.
Okay, they need to open it with their mouth.
Teeth.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so it was the sudden immediate cause for the revolt. The sepoys were not happy with this.
Ma'am, one more admit. One more waiting room.
Okay, children, just listen to me.
Okay.
In the year 1857, the Britishers introduced a new rifle. Okay, they
Immediate
introduced a new rifle. The cartridges were greased with the fat of cow and the pig.
Pigs. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so before loading that bullets into
They
the
want to
cartridges, they need to
open
open
that
it with,
Someone-
by using with their mouth.
Yes, ma'am. It's very
Okay, so for the Muslims, the pig
Minister
is
Ram-
unholy to them. Okay, it is unholy to the Muslims, the pig, and for the
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Hindus.
someone is there in the waiting room.
And for the Hindus, cows are holy. Okay,
Holy.
children, just to see the immediate cause. Okay, see, Hindus and the Muslims. Okay, the new cartridges to be loaded in the rifle was greased with the fat of cow and the pig. Can you see the picture over here? The bullet picture?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
And also see, children, in the back side of the textbook of this lesson, in the last page of this lesson, is the time? The picture is given. Can you,
Yes,
can
ma'am.
you
Yes,
see
ma'am.
that?
Science
Yes,
one.
ma'am.
Science one.
This one.
Can you see that?
Yes, ma'am. Science
Okay,
one.
see?
Science
Yeah,
one.
the rifle. Okay, the Hindus and the Muslim soldiers of the British Indian Army had to, load their rifle cartridges. Okay, greased cartridges. Step 1.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
soldier take open the end of the cartridges with his teeth.
Ooh.
Yeah.
I
And
don't like
step
that.
2, he poured the powder down the muzzle of the rifle.
Ma'am, what is that powder?
Gunpowder.
Okay, ma'am.
Gunpowder.
Another powder.
Okay. Then he inserted the bullets. Okay. Step 3, he
Use the ramrod.
yeah.
What is
He
called
sat
ramrod?
beneath the fire. Okay.
I
Ma'am, what
think
is called
so.
ramrod?
In the gun keeping that.
Yes.
Keeping.
Okay, keeping his arm, he need to do this. So,
Keep-
children, we will
keep
discuss more about this one. So, before
Okay,
that,
ma'am.
you should have to read
Okay, ma'am.
portion.
Ma'am,
That means
waiting
the
room.
first portion. That is for the next class. For the next class. So, read the textbook, and it's the last class before Onam vacation. See you after Onam
Okay, ma'am.
vacation. Thank you,
Advance
children.
happy Onam, ma'am.
Bye.
Advance happy Onam, ma'am.
Happy Onam to all of you.
Thank you, ma'am. Happy Onam.